Si Takuri kamay ug dako kimi tan ug hininaan ipisan pabukalong mo kolo-kolo ihaon mo ako o ibubo.
Itong kanta pa og lang Bisaya.
Si Takuri
Kuan si Pilemon, how about si Pilemon?
No, si Pilemon, si Pilemon. Ang sol sa gadagatang.
Careful, Ed.
Kakuha na kakuha. Umisang kabasatan.
Gibalig. Gibaligya, gibaligya. Sa merkado. Kuba. Ang halin.
Haling
Purus.
kura. Ang kalis. Kuros. Kura.
Igo lang eh. Paano ba? Okay, let's finish up. I think this is ready to flip.
Mom, that one has too much. You give me too. This one's gonna be so sweet if you put too much in it.
Yeah. Okay, let's flip it over, girly.
Hey, can I?
No, it's dangerous. You're gonna get hurt. I'm not even sure if Stella's ready. Okay, let's see if mommy can flip it. Flip! There you
Can
go.
I?
Perfect.
I mix it, mommy.
Pancake ala umi. Pancake ala umi. Just use one hand to make this. Pancake ala umi. Whoa, Yumi! Oh no. Oh no, what happened to your pancake? That's yours.
What, Mama?
Yumi flipped the pancake.
She's like, wee.
That's how you flip it, Yumi. Look. Flip. Flip it really quick. Ta-da.
I'll put it.
Paginay. Kaya mapasok ka. What, you know what? Mapas. You're Yumi, what are you doing? Come on, girl.
I'm not good on doing pancakes.
Yeah, maybe when you're bigger.
Look, I'm doing this.
Okay.
I'm
Ouch. Hey, don't fight, Naomi. No, no, stop being whiny. It's Abe's turn. No, Abe wants to mix it. Wow, Abe's a good mixer. I could be a good cook, Abe. Loto ka, unsay mo giluto? Unsa man imong gihimo?
Solid umi.
Say pancake.
Pancake.
Oh, di kayo na mo, baby. Di
I
kayo ikaw
make
luto.
a pancake.
Same naghimo ko.
Uku.
Pancake.
Pancake.
Pamahaw.
Bahaw.
Pamahaw is breakfast.
Now it's breakfast.
Yeah, be careful.
I'm making a tool.
Alright, don't spill it, baba. Unsa man gay ko tubig? Si mama gay ko tubig.